Hi, this is D. Rambabu. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Science and Humanities in University College of Engineering. I am going to explain the subject probability and statistics. If you have any doubt after watching my complete video, please comment under this video. Now, discrete random variable. Okay, discrete random variable. In the discrete random variable, mean of discrete random variable is defined as mu is equal to summation or sigma x into p of x. Okay, x is a point in discrete random variable. Discrete random variable will take only a finite number of points. Okay, among them x is one point and p of x is the probability of that x. Okay, summation of x and p of x is mean. Okay, now variance of discrete random variable variance is given by summation x minus mu whole square into p of x, or you can also write down as e of x square minus e of x whole square. Here e of x square is summation x square p of x. Okay, now let us go to the problems of discrete random variable. Here two dice are thrown. Okay, and x random variable x, capital X, assigns to each point if capital S is the sum of the variables on the faces. Find mean and variance of the random variable. Okay, now sample space S is given by S is equal to, here two dice are thrown, therefore there are 36 elements. What are they? 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6 and so on up to 6 6. Okay, totally there are 36 elements. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 into 6, 36 possible outcomes are there when we are throwing two dice. Okay, now capital X, given that x assigns to each point if S is the sum of the variables. Okay, therefore x is sum of the variables on two faces. For example, x of first outcome is 2, x of second outcome, sum of two numbers 1 plus 2 3. Okay, in such a way x assigns to each point if S is the sum of the variables. Okay, now therefore actually x is a random variable that is defined from S to capital R. Here S is the sample space, R is a real number. Okay, S consists of some elements. These 36 elements are in S. Okay, all possible outcomes are there in S. S means sample space. Okay, now x maps 1 1 to 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Then similarly image of 1 2. 1 2 is in S. Image of 1 2 is 1 plus 2 3. Okay, that is 1 1 mapped with 2. 1 2 mapped with 1 plus 2 3. Okay, similarly 1 3 in the sample space 1 3 maps to 4 in real numbers. 1 4 similarly 6 6 maps to 12 in the real numbers. Okay, the outcome 6 6 is 6 6 is in sample space. Okay, since its sum is 6 plus 6 12, the image of this outcome is 12. Okay, in this way random variable x defined. Now x of s, that is range of this function, will become 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, because you can choose any one of this outcome and sum the numbers on the faces of two dice. For example, if we choose 3 2, then sum is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 is there in x of s. Okay, now we have to find out the probabilities for all of these elements. For example, let us find out p of 2, probability of 2. Probability of 2 means probability when x is equal to 2, that is the sum on faces is 2. Okay, that is the probability of some favorable cases. What are the favorable cases when x is equal to 2? X is equal to 2 mean sum must be 2. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2, therefore this is a favorable case. 1 plus 2 3, it is not favorable case. 1 plus 3 4 is not favorable case. Okay, therefore there is only one element which is favorable to x is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, therefore probability of 1 1, probability of 1 1 is favorable case is 1. Number of exhaustive cases are 36 because there are 36 elements, therefore 1 by 36 is the probability where x is equal to 2. Now p of 3, probability of 3, probability when x is equal to 3, that is probability. Now we have to identify the favorable cases for x is equal to 3. Here 1 plus 1 is 2, therefore it is not favorable case, we must get 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, therefore these 2 are only favorable cases, therefore 1 2 comma 2 1. Okay, therefore number of favorable cases are 2, exhaustive cases are 36, 2 by 36. Okay, now p of 4, that is probability when x is equal to 4, that is we need to get some 4 of a particular outcome. X is equal to 4, 1 3 3 1 2 2. These are the only 3 elements for getting sum 4. 1 3 1 3 2 2 3 1. Okay, 3 by 36. P of 5, that is probability when x is equal to 5. Favorable cases are 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1. Okay, 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1. How many favorable cases are there? 1 2 3 4. 4 by 36. 4 by 36. Now P of 6. P of 6 means P of x is equal to 6. The probability when the sum is 6. Favorable cases are 1 5, 1 5, 2 4, 3 3, 4 2, 5 1. 1 5, 2 4, 3 3, 4 2, 5 1. Total number of favorable cases 1 2 3 4 5. 5 by 36. Similarly, we can observe that P of 7 is 6 by 36. P of 8 is 5 by 36. P of 9 is 4 by 36. P of 10 is 3 by 36. Okay. P of 11 is 2 by 36. P of 12 is 1 by 36. Therefore, probability distribution table is given by, this is called probability distribution table. Okay. In this table, probability of 2, x is equal to 2, when x is equal to 2, P of 2 is 1 by 36. Okay. Similarly, P of 3 is equal to 2 by 36. P of 4, 3 by 36. P of 5, 4 by 36. P of 6, 5 by 36. P of 7, 6 by 36. P of 8, 5 by 36. P of 9, 4 by 36. P of 10, 3 by 36. P of 11, 2 by 36. P of 12, 1 by 36, because there is only one outcome for which sum is 12, that is 6 outcome. Therefore, its probability of 12 is 1 by 36. Now, we have to find out mean and variance. Mean is given by mean mu is equal to sigma x into P of x. Okay, that is sigma x into P of x. X into P of x. 2 into 1 by 36. X is equal to 2. P of x. 2 into P of 2. P of 2 is 1 by 36. 1 by 36 plus 3 into 2 by 36. 3 into 2 by 36 plus 4 into 3 by 36 plus 5 into 4 by 36 plus 6 into 5 by 36 plus 7 into 6 by 36 plus 8 into 5 by 36 plus 9 into 4 by 36 plus 10 into 3 by 36 plus 11 into 2 by 36 plus 12 into 1 by 36. Okay, on calculation we will get 7. Okay, therefore mu is equal to, mean is 7. Now variance is given by E of x square minus E of x whole square. Okay, E of x square means summation x square into p of x minus e of x whole square, that is 7 square. Okay, now summation of x square p of x means x square, that is 2 square into 1 by 36 plus 3 square into probability of 3, 2 by 36, 4 plus 4 square into probability of 4, that is 3 by 36, and so on. 2 square into 1 by 36 plus 3 square into 2 by 36 plus 4 square into 3 by 36 plus 5 square into 4 by 36 plus 6 square into 5 by 36 plus 7 square into 6 by 36 plus 8 square into 5 by 36, okay, plus 9 square into 4 by 36 plus 10 square into 3 by 36 plus 11 square into 2 by 36 plus 12 square into 1 by 36. Okay, this is all summation x square p of x minus mu square 7 square, that is 49. Okay, calculating this value we will get 5.8. Therefore 5.8 is the variance.